we guide you through how to use iPhone hidden features. First, open your iPhone settings and go to the accessibility, then tap back tap where you can double or triple tap the back of your iPhone to instantly trigger shortcuts like taking a screenshot, opening the camera, or turning on the flashlight. Next, go to Settings, then scroll or Control Center and add hidden tools like screen recording, low power mode, and hearing features so you can access them with simple swipe. Now, try hidden trackpad trick. Press and hold the space bar on your keyboard to turn it into a cursor so you can edit text easily without stress. Another powerful feature is the hidden scan tool inside Notes. Open Notes that tap the camera icon and choose Scan Documents to instantly turn papers into PDFs. Also use Spotlight Search by swiping down on your home screen to quickly find apps, messages, or even calculations without opening anything manually. And finally, enable Siri shortcuts in the Shortcuts app to automate daily tasks with one tap or voice command.